All right, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hex screws. It's 8mm metric. I'm using this driver. I couldn't find the smaller socket, whatever the right measurement is for this. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. I already got them pre-loosened. Got my little bowl here to catch them so they don't go everywhere. And we'll see. I don't think anything should shock me. This should all be direct current. There's a grounding one here, a grounding bolt, a grounding hex screw here is for when you want to ground the generator to a rod into the ground. Not in the video much, but you can see it right here, pointing to it. We'll get the camera closer. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one I didn't loosen. Shouldn't need it. Should be just for grounding. And there I have the whole panel unscrewed. Let me angle the phone. Hopefully I don't drop the phone. I'm gonna take a look inside, see where all these connections go, so I don't fudge anything up, and then I will continue.